Right, so this is a prequel to the video of the double tap issue I had with this keyboard. And I replaced some of the switches. I've worked very hard over the last 6 months to make it hairy and full of skin and debris again, to make it double tap again. And I can now do the most requested video on the channel, because on that video everybody said I should clean the keyboard before doing it. And see if we can fix the double tap issue. And the only key that's doing it at the minute is the A key, but it's still really irritating just having to do it on the A key. And the 4 key doesn't work sometimes, so let's see. So we're going to take everything out, we're going to clean all the stuff out of it, and then we're going to put all the keys back in. And hopefully you will all know how to clean a keyboard afterwards. And I am sorry about all the beard hair, but beards like to shed. So we've got some cotton buds, isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to take all the keys off, dump them in here. And I don't have a key puller, so we've got a knife, because knives fix everything. And it's got like a bit of debris around where my handle is, but there's a surprising amount of sawdust in my keyboard. I mean, like this particular chunk here, this has come off a chainsaw. And this might be some form of raisin, because snacks. So we're going to clean it. Carefully, we're not going to take it apart any more than this. And we're going to clean between everything, and then we'll drop a little bit of isopropyl alcohol into each switch and give it a good clean that way as well. And then hopefully it'll work more consistently again. And then we'll clean all this up in a really easy way. Don't do anything hot around this stuff. So we'll put that in there. Oh, it's a bit fumey. So that's the keys all cleaned, all the in between the keys, or more or less. And the buds don't quite fit down these slots, so we're going to leave them. It's not too imperative, but we now need to remember which is the number 4 key. That's the A key. So this one here, get some more of this. Yeah, need more than this. And all I'm doing is getting drips on here and feeding it into the key. Right, and I don't know if you can tell, all the switches are pretty grim as well. So we're gonna give these a little bath. In here. And the reason I put them in a takeaway tub is I can shut the lid and oh, it's getting very fumy in here. Right. Alright, so we've got a white thing. And there's all the alcohol out of the keyboard and keys. And you can see it's kind of brown with chunks. So it's definitely cleaner. Next thing you've got to do is do the puzzle of, can you remember where all the keys go? Okay, so when popping the keycaps out, I broke these little clips on the side. Can you see? And so this key, this one, is permanently pressed because it's this little tiny white bit of plastic that holds the keys open, and when you push the button down, they pop open and connect and set the key off. This needs to be, this is held down with this, and so I need to super glue this to that, I think, because I don't have any spare keys on me, so we're going to break that bit off and get some super glue. This is the switch, and these little levers here, you see? Like that, they're the contacts. So this goes in here like this, spring. This goes on top this way around, like that, and then this is stuck down. This goes on over like this, and we're going to stick it down. Right, so in theory that's this keyboard fixed for another while, till the next one gets mucky or something. But at least you guys should know how to clean one of these now, relatively simply. See you next week.